Have you ever considered personal loans more than just a financial instrument? What if they had the solution to unraveling a universe where your desires aren't just fancies, but embodiments of reality? Create an image of the trip where borrowing would be a skillful type, turning your dreams into what we call a symphony. Are you prepared to shed the layers of financial unpredictability, release your hidden abilities, and let personal loans transport you into a lifestyle flooded with success? The stage is created and the quest unfolds. Let's look at how personal loans can manifest the mysterious power that converts curiosity into financial success. The power of purpose. Navigating any financial venture one embarks on requires a clear mission that acts as the North Star, guiding your actions related to money. Start by determining what your aspirations are in terms of financial state, whether they be founding a small business or investing in education and renovating the home. Precise information about your goals will allow you to better allocate and distribute finances. A good option to finance your dreams is the application of personal loans. Personal loans can be the trigger that turns your dreams into reachable goals. From providing a financial cushion to consolidate debt, finance home renovation projects, or cover an emergency expense, personal loans can help you towards making your dreams come true. Therefore, let your purpose be what drives you to make financial decisions. With a well-established path and goal, you can walk bravely towards the financial goals. Strategic borrowing. Let us now go into the skill of strategic borrowing in more detail. Before seeking a personal loan, it is advisable to scrutinize your financial environment and determine regions where a loan may be an analytical partner. This implies evaluating your current debts, income, and expenses to ascertain how a loan could help improve your financial status. Strategically, an individual may consolidate high-interest debts using a personal loan. If your balance sheet has several loans, the most one with high interest such as credit card balances or personal loans, a loan can reduce all of them into low-interest debts. This may make your monthly payments easier, save you interest money, and allow reducing your debt sooner. A timely investment opportunity should also be used as another strategic way of utilizing a personal loan. However, if you have some immediate investment urgency, such as a deposit on a rental property or business startup, any personal loan can bring you the necessary capital to take that opportunity. Second, the business can be financed using a personal loan. A personal loan could be the solution for entrepreneurs and small business owners who need a source of finances to launch their ventures. However, you should choose battles wisely and have a plan of action set before taking the path to business debt. In the end, a personal loan can be an effective solution to help you improve your financial situation. However, it requires careful use. With careful consideration of your financial landscape and the options that you choose, it is possible to create a borrowing plan that forms an effective basis for a long-term future. Investing in yourself. Individual loans are a great option for investing in your personal development. Taking a loan for personal use can enable you to finance your ambitions, such as mastering new skills, pursuing postgraduate education, or improving professional recognition. The decision to invest in your own personal development can prove very profitable. As you acquire knowledge and skills, your earning capacity enhances, thus providing an opportunity to get better jobs with higher pay. Alternatively, the ability to invest in oneself is a great reward and can be considered priceless by many people. Moreover, personal loans offer more competitive interest rates than other forms of credit, including charge card credits. This means that one can obtain a loan at lower interest rates, making it easy to handle the repayment of debts by installments. Keep in mind that the highest return on investment is typically achieved by investing back into yourself. Therefore, always consider a personal loan as the best approach for achieving your goals and progressing in your career. Seizing investment opportunities. In the current volatile economic environment, quite a number of opportunities are available to people who want to accumulate funds. For instance, a well-directed personal loan allows an individual to invest profitably in aspects like real estate, stock market, or even side businesses. Personal loans have a relatively low rate of interest and can become an efficient way to increase their financial portfolios, thus creating diversified streams. With borrowed money, you can make calculated risks and thus have better prospects of victory in the stock market. By buying property in a rising area, investing in real estate could be one of the best methods to acquire passive income. Instead, investing in shares will offer an opportunity to gain from the development of established firms, whereas settling for a side business means one can be his or her own boss and start something from scratch. Be advised, though, that investing always involves some degree of risk, and you should take your time to carry out research before deciding. However, if a personal loan is carefully handled, the potential returns can be truly rewarding, and yes, success loves zeal. The entrepreneurial leap. A personal loan can help you launch your small business by providing financial assistance. With the loan, you can invest in resources like equipment, inventory, or office space. However, starting a business requires planning, dedication, and a clear vision. You need a well-defined business plan and a strategy to execute it. They serve as an effective instrument in reaching financial goals. Evaluate your financial circumstances to decide whether the loan will suit you best before deciding on a loan. Investing in real estate, stocks, or a business with borrowed capital provides many opportunities to create wealth, but must be undertaken cautiously and with careful planning. With adequate planning and an explicit idea, one can succeed in using personal loans to form the basis of a successful financial future. Transform your financial future with personal loans used strategically. Seize the potential, take calculated risks, and let the journey toward prosperity commence. Your dreams are waiting to be realized. Make them a reality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye for now.